So this TV uses passive 3D technology. And one of the advantages of that is that two players can play a computer game at the same time without using split screen. So each player can see the image that they're controlling. They don't have to use split screen views like in older consoles. And this technology has already been used in LG TVs, which also use passive 3D. LG calls it dual play, Sony's calling it SimulView. It's essentially the same thing in that the lines using passive 3D technology are sent to the polarized glasses so that it can effectively control what you see and you don't see. So player one will use these blue glasses, player two will use the red glasses, and they'll see an image, they'll see what they're doing without being disturbed by what's going on in the other player's screen. Okay, so I'm here on Sony's stand at the IFA technology show in Berlin, and I'm with the 84-inch 4K TV that they presented yesterday. Now, 4K resolution is basically 4 times full HD, so the picture is 4 times sharper than the HD TV sets that we've got on the market right now. And so it's around sort of 8 megapixels, just over 8 megapixels. So, I mean, you're probably not going to see from the video, if the resolution of the camera is not going to capture exactly what I can see. So to me, it just looks incredible. It looks so sharp, so bright. I mean, I can't even describe what it looks like. But there's an argument that 4K may be a little bit too sharp for some people. It depends if you're happy with seeing the nose hair, the pock marks of your newsreader. That's okay. But I mean, what we can see from the test images here is that with landscapes, with movies, it's so sharp, it's incredible, it's lifelike. And it's the same in 3D. Sony has a demo where we can see petals coming out of the screen and you want to reach out and touch them. Now, obviously, one problem with 4K at the moment is that there's not a lot of content available. Sony's obviously working on that, being a film producer by making professional camcorders with 4K capabilities. But in the meantime, this TV has a 4K upscaling processor, which can upscale content, regular full HD or SD content, onto the full HD screen. How well that works in reality remains to be seen, but it's there. So, I mean, this TV can be used. Backlighting is Edge LED here, and it has a 3D mode, which is passive 3D. Passive 3D works by using polarized glasses, so alternate lines in the image are sent to alternate eyes. Now, the effect this has is that it halves resolution in 3D mode, and in the full HD TVs that use passive 3D, it's not noticeable, but it's more of a problem because it's it takes the resolution back to 720p. Now, the thing with 4K is that passive 3D is excellent because, I mean, even with the resolution halved, it's still twice as sharp as full HD. So, I mean, you're not going to notice a thing when using the reduced resolution in 3D mode. The other advantage of passive 3D technology is that the glasses are lighter, so they're more comfortable to wear and they're cheaper to manufacture, which means that you don't have to spend a fortune to get glasses for your family and friends. And we're going to go take another look at one of the other advantages of passive 3D right now.